I've been using iFootage products for years now. I've always seen them as a problem solver company. When they realised monopods were cumbersome to carry around, they fixed it by making one that can be broken down into parts and easily carried in a backpack. When they saw that travel sliders were a bit limited, they made one that could be both tiny and extended pretty much infinitely with a really clever track system. Now, iFootage have fixed the magic arm. They've called them spider crabs, and here are 5 reasons why you absolutely have to have these in your kit bag. The iFootage spider crabs are a new magic arm system from iFootage. They come in 2 sizes. You can also pick up this long arm that is used for locking your slider into position to avoid sagging with heavier payloads. The arms feature really impressive locking teeth in the gears and support a payload of up to 6 kilograms, but I reckon you could easily go higher than that with these impressive teeth. Magic arms are the bane of most sets, but annoyingly they're also pretty essential. You need them to be able to move your monitor around your camera rig, to add attachments like wireless video receivers, and even to place EVFs and lights on your rigs. The issue with them historically has been rotation. I can't count the amount of times the director has grabbed my monitor and untwisted the magic arm connections. I've even seen monitors break from coming loose and falling onto a concrete floor. Painful. iFootage is not the first company to try and solve the magic arm problem. One example is Sakuto's American arm, which utilises a 15mm rod system. It's a great system, but has one major flaw. I was always running out of the 15mm connections on my rigs. In fact, when I used an EVF mounted on the top handle connection, I had literally nowhere to natively place my arm. iFootage have got around this issue by neatly utilising the retracting ARRI locating pin mount system, and made the whole system toolless and quick release, meaning not only can you securely mount them to a cage or handle, you can also quickly swap out the type of arm you're using with any given device. One of the other benefits of the system is that you can utilise other mounting options to the arms, like these grab clamps, which open up a whole new world of possibilities, as we'll see later. Some other nifty features are the clever capture system. When connecting the mini heads to the arms, they lock without needing to clamp down using the buckle locks. Speaking of the buckle locks, I was really pleased to see these on the spider crabs. They're a feature that I loved on their monopods and their tripods as well. These really lock off whatever you have attached to the arms in a really pleasing way. Anyway, enough overview. Let's get down to the 5 reasons you really, really need these in your bag. As I said before, directors are annoying. They get all excited when you're shooting and will grab at your monitor, pulling them loose from a standard 1/4 inch connection. It's happened to me loads of times, it's super annoying. Spider crab's locking abilities make this a thing of the past. It's beautiful. If you're a more run and gun shooter, it's unlikely that you have any space to carry a tripod and a hi-hat. And your tripod might not be compact enough to get on the table and get nice macro shots. Using the spider crabs in conjunction with the grab clamp, now you can. We've all been in situations where we need to just add a little bit more light to a scene, and there's no room for a stand. The grab clamp comes in clutch again, allowing you to add lights to all sorts of normally inaccessible areas, like I have attached here to an IKEA shelving unit. It always annoyed me seeing people mount wireless video solutions directly to monitors in a video village. It's cumbersome, it adds pointless top weight to the stands, and can be really, really fiddly to achieve. With the spider crabs, just clamp the unit to a stand and position in an optimal space. Small cameras are great when you're filming on the fly. They need very minimal rigging and they have great built-in EVFs. But what happens when they don't have an EVF at all? Now you have to mount a top handle, find a bracket and connect the EVF to the side to avoid poking your eyes out with the top handle. Happens to me all the time. Using the spider crabs, you can really lock down an EVF above your camera to give you a rock solid customizable solution using those ARRI locating pins. Anyway, you know what's coming. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, and why not subscribe? It doesn't cost you anything, and we have a load of really exciting new content coming regularly soon. Anyway, see you next time.